Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today I'm coming at you with a quick video. Me and my wife went to our local Kroger's and they are starting to clearance out their winter items. As you can see here, they have the Fireside Supreme 2-hour logs. You get 6 of them for $7. And we picked up 2 cases. We're going to pick up probably another 2 more cases of the 2 hours. They haven't discounted the 4-hour logs yet, but the one thing I can say about these logs, that even though it says 2 hours, they almost go to 3 to 4 depending on what you have in your fireplace. For us, we love this. It's a fantastic deal. So be on the lookout for the winter items starting the clearance, because when they do, you're going to want to go in and pick them up. And the one thing my wife found here was this right here is called the Pine Mountain Roasting Logs. So it's ready to cook in under 5 minutes, hot dogs and s'mores. And for this, we paid $6.40 for this. I've never seen these before, and my wife was super excited because you get 6 of them in here and you get the 2 uses. The great thing is you can use this for outdoor and indoor, which is great because it's safe to use on food versus these fire logs are not, that has the chemicals in there. So this is great no matter where you live. I think, if they're going to be clearing some more out, we talked to them. They have more in the back, but they didn't have them out yet. This was the only box. So we're definitely going to go back, pick up a couple more cases of these just because of be able to cook hot dogs and s'mores. And, if you really had to, you could probably cook, burgers and whatnot on it. But this is something new, and I think it's fantastic. And especially in a grid down situation or winter, or places like in Texas, stuff when you have those snowstorm stuff, this would be great if you had to cook or even keep yourself warm. Great to use. And also picking these up, we're going to wait to see for them to get the 4-hour ones. But I just want to come at you with a quick video saying, winter is kind of on its way out. Be on the lookout for the winter deals. So if you go in there, scoop them up, because the original price of this case for 6 of them is $17.49, and we paid $7. That's not too bad. That's about almost $1.25 a log, which is pretty cheap when this can last more than 2 hours, more like 3 to 4. So I just want to let you guys know, be on the lookout at all of your grocery stores, no matter where you are in the United States. They're going to start clearance this out. So write in the comments down below if you think this helped you. Let me know if you were able to go out and pick any of these items up. We'll love to hear about it. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.